Meeting notes is also another document that will be used all throughout the project. You can also call it meeting minutes, meeting summaries, written records that you just use to document the key points, discussions or decisions, and very important, action items from a meeting. Normally, project coordinators take meeting notes or meeting minutes, and these notes will serve as a reference for any attendee, whether and stakeholders, and then others who were not able to join, to recall what was like discussed, agreed upon, or who was assigned what during the meeting. So it's for documentation, to provide a formal record of discussions, and it's very valuable for future reference, especially if you have a lot of projects that you're working on. You're just moving between projects. You want to be able to go back and remember what was discussed in each project call or meeting. So it provides clarity and transparency. It helps to ensure there's clarity. Everyone knows what happened or what should happen among the meeting participants. And so you can summarize the key points in the project email, the summary email that goes out after the call or the meeting. But the meeting notes should have all the necessary details. They provide a shared understanding of what was discussed and agreed upon. So it reduces that likelihood of a miscommunication or misunderstanding. Everyone understands what was said because it's written down. Accountability. So here you assign the responsibility of, any action items, any next steps. Anyone can just go back and refer to that meeting notes. So it's important that you share that document with all the team members or all the participants so they can go back and take a look at the notes themselves. Follow-up and action planning. Meeting notes serve as a basis for follow-up activities and action planning. They outline the next steps again, any deadlines. They also provide a roadmap for moving forward and ensuring that all the tasks that you have are completed. Legal and compliance purposes. In some cases, meeting notes will serve as a legal compliance documentation. Not all the time, but it's important for you to keep it so that you can present it when or if you're asked for it. And so here we go with the meeting template. It's very simple. Again, the date, you can indicate the meeting name because I'm sure there will be several, the list of people who attended, the agenda items, action items, and then any other important notes. So for the agenda items, one thing that I do recommend is before the meeting, you can socialize with the stakeholders and find out what their agenda items are. That way you have it written down and then you can just get to work once the meeting starts. You're able to just start documenting and taking notes. Also, nothing springs up on you during the call if you know what the agenda items are. So again, pretty simple meeting notes template, but it's also available for you to download. Are you aspiring to enter the world of project management, but you're feeling lost on where to start? Let me guide you through every step of the journey, from crafting a standout resume and finding the perfect roles to mastering interview techniques and negotiating an ideal salary. I've got you covered on all of that. Plus, I'll be sending you job alerts twice every week. I'll also ensure that your LinkedIn profile shines bright, drawing recruiters to you like a magnet. With my expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to excel in the competitive field of project management. So don't wait. Go to www.pathwaystoPM.com/coaching today.